Hi guys, so in this video, I will be showing you how to select an image in Photopea. First, open your Photopea. So you'll see the options of new project, open from computer, or templates. So for now, I will choose open from computer and select a photo from my computer. There are many ways to create selections in Photopea. Users often need to select a lot of pixels, which can take a lot of time. So learning about all the selection tools can help you create selections effectively. So the basic operation for selecting all pixels is to go to select all, or just simply type Ctrl A. But you can also use these options for selections. So first, the rectangle select. This tool lets you create rectangular selections by clicking and dragging your mouse. Second is the ellipse select, similar to the rectangle select, but it creates elliptical selections. Just click and drag to define the area. Third is lasso select. This tool allows freehand selection. Click and drag around the object you want to select. Zoom in for more precision if needed. Fourth is the polygonal lasso select. This tool lets you create polygonal selections by clicking to add corners. Lastly, the magnetic lasso select. This smart tool snaps to the edges of objects as you move the mouse along them. Click to place the first point, then trace the edge of the object. Control points are added automatically, but you can also click to add them manually. So that's it. These are the ways you can select images in Photopea. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Bye!